All right, Unit 9, Lesson 2, multiplying polynomials and monomials. So really this is just the distribution property, and we have to remember our exponent rules. So when I multiply 3x squared times 5x to the fourth, 3 times 5 is 15, x squared times x to the fourth, we add the exponents in that case and get x to the sixth. 3x squared times 3x cubed is 9x to the fifth. Distributing to the last term gives me 3x squared. That is it. All like terms are combined. On the next one, I got to distribute this 2x to that group there. I have to distribute the negative, including the minus sign, to this group here. So doing that, I kind of color-coded it, keeping the first one red. Distribute the negative 5x squared. 5x squared times x is negative 5x cubed. Then we get a plus 30x squared. Negative times a negative is positive. Remember to keep track of your negative sign. Now we do have like terms to combine here. Write the highest degree term first. Combine the x squareds. Get 32x squared minus 8x. There's our final answer. All right, so see how we've already kind of written out the first step? What we're doing is called extended distribution. And just in the way that I distributed in the quantities above, I'm going to distribute basically twice. So 6x multiplies everything in the second set of parentheses, and then also 5 multiplies everything in the second set of parentheses. So I'm really just thinking of it as kind of like 6x distributed to that, and that's here, and then 5 distributed to this, and that's what I have here. That's why I write out that. And you want to write the second step out this way, because something we'll teach you later is going to be much more helpful if you remember this formatting. All right, so I distribute my 6x to that packet, distribute the 5, getting that, combine my central like terms there, and my final result is 12x squared plus 4x minus 5. Now this last one, do not be tempted to distribute this because that is totally illegal. As squared here, that means I am multiplying this quantity times itself twice. So I'm really doing this multiplication. So now I'm going to do an extended distribution, multiplying the 2x times a 2x plus 3, then also multiplying the 3 times a 2x plus 3, and then combine any like terms. So distributing that out gives me this. Distributing the 3 gives me that. I have like terms. They're both 6x. So that adds to 12x. It gives me that for my final result. All right. Look forward to the practice.